Please give a warm round of applause to Danitza, who will be share a few words and hopefully not some bird quiz.
Everybody wanted I would talk in Czech language, but I can't do to everybody. So I think that I already told everything what I want, but I forgot one thing. I must tell to everybody that this on the Facebook is absolutely great job for all of us, all of you. Sorry. I was in hospital yesterday all the day because I was very sick, and I was there all the day and all the night, and all the time I read everything from you what you write there. So I want to thank you very much. It's a great job for us. I hope that you enjoy all the time here, and I hope that after 2 years we will meet here in the bigger quantity, but it's up to you. Thank you very much.
First of all, I want to say a big thank you for the staff and the crew, and of course all of you participants. A huge applause. And as you can see, I'm not in my fittest fit today, but I can also say, as Marcel did, that I was reading all the Facebook pages yesterday and today. And you are just amazing people. Thank you very much. All the nice things you say, all the nice photos, absolutely the best. So in 2 years, I really hope to see you again. Thank you very much.